Hi, I'm James Lally, host of Extreme Makeover School Edition. My team and I are here to help the students at Cathedral High School get some much-needed renovations done. Let's check it out. Come on, let's check it out. You know you want to. Come on, let's go. The historic center gym was built in 1938 and is used for so many activities. But it's time for a revamp. An updated basketball layout would give us a regulation-sized court. We definitely need safer bleachers too. Let's not forget our Performing Arts Center located in the historic Holy Angels. The stage curtains are over 25 years old. Let's see what we can do to bring these into the 21st century. With me as always is our talented team of renovation experts, our designer Samantha Leintz and our engineer Eric Ellingbo. We are about to surprise the students here at Cathedral and let them know that Cathedral has been chosen for the Extreme Makeover School Edition. Let's go!
All right, things are about to get a little bit dramatic. Let's go surprise the theater kids. Hello, Cathedral thespians! You've been selected for Extreme Makeover School Edition!
Oh, no way! I'm gonna be on Extreme Makeover! I like this shit! Yeah! Thank you!
Cathedral has so many talented student athletes, but not enough space for them all. So we've called a secret meeting of the team leaders. They're about to get the surprise of a lifetime.
Hey, Cathedral Crusaders! Extreme Makeover School Edition is here to make over the center gym!
We need new bleachers!
Yeah!
Let's go! Oh, the Extreme Makeover guy!
Bring it up! Bring it up! Let's go!
So tell me about this space.
Well, the curtains and the rigging have been up since before I was even born.
Yeah, the curtains are super heavy and you have to pull them open and close by hand.
Yes, I can see that. What color would you say this is?
Couldn't say.
Updating textiles can have such an impact on a space. I can't wait to update this theater's aesthetic.
So, what do we think about these bleachers?
They have got to go.
It would be nice to have bleachers with stairs and rails.
Yeah, they even cover the windows.
Looks like I got a lot of work ahead of me.
So I'm hearing Cathedral Gymnastics could use a place to practice too?
Yeah, I love going to different venues, but I'd love it even more if we had more vaulting time.
And that the basketball court isn't quite regulation size to host tournaments?
Yep, if it was regulation sized, we would be able to host more tournaments.
Let's see what we can do, guys. 1, 2, 3, team! All right, Eric, so tell us what you're thinking.
First thing we're going to do is remove these old bleachers completely. We're going to replace them with new safe bleachers on either side, creating a fan section and a student section. Removing the old bleachers is going to allow us to flip the court 90 degrees and make it regulation size. We'll also remove the false ceiling to showcase even more windows and a taller roof line, which will be better for both sound and lighting.
Wow, what a great plan. Sam, what are you designing over there?
Once the bleachers are moved, the space will really be set for me to create a light and airy open floor plan. Natural light will be pouring in these windows, and hopefully the space will become even more multifunctional and can be used for even more sports. We'll be sanding down the floor to the bare wood and repainting it with stunning new lines for both basketball and volleyball courts. Nothing says classic American gym like blending history and nostalgia with a new gym layout.
Amazing. I can't wait to see the transformation. What about the theater?
We'll be installing gorgeous, brand new, lighter weight stage curtains. All 5 layers will be up to new code standards and fire resistant. And while the curtains are lighter in weight, they'll still be blackout.
Stage dressing is all 5 layers of curtains.
And holding all that up is going to be electronic rigging.
Sounds great, guys. With your donation, we can get started on these much-needed renovations and make sure that the center gym can serve as many student activities as possible, as well as updating the theater. I'll see you on Demo Day!